In this video, I'll show you how to watch Wrestlepalooza using a VPN. If you try to watch Wrestlepalooza from outside the region where it's officially available, you may find that the stream doesn't load, certain matches are blocked, or the platform shows a regional restriction message. This happens because Wrestlepalooza streams are often limited to specific countries, and the streaming site checks your location using your IP address. So even if the event is live online, you might not be able to access it from your country. The easiest and most reliable way to watch Wrestlepalooza from anywhere is by using a VPN. The VPN I recommend is NordVPN because it's fast, stable, and works very well with live streaming platforms. It's easy to use on Windows, Mac, Android, iPhone, and other devices. You can find the link in the description to get started with NordVPN. First, install NordVPN on your device. If you're on a PC or Mac, go to the official NordVPN website using the link in the description and download the app. Complete the installation, then open NordVPN and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a world map and a list of server locations. Now connect to the country where Wrestlepalooza is officially streaming. This could be the United States or another supported region, depending on the platform hosting the event. Wait until NordVPN clearly shows that you're fully connected before moving forward. After connecting, open your browser and go directly to the official Wrestlepalooza streaming website or the platform hosting the event. If the page was already open, refresh it. With NordVPN connected, the stream should now load normally, giving you access to the full Wrestlepalooza event without regional blocks. If the stream doesn't start right away, close the browser completely, keep NordVPN connected, and reopen the site. You can also switch to another server in the same country inside the NordVPN app, which often helps if one server is busy during live events. For the best viewing experience, keep NordVPN connected while watching Wrestlepalooza. NordVPN shows server speed and load, so choosing a server with lower load can help reduce buffering and keep the stream smooth during live matches. NordVPN also adds an extra layer of security while you stream. It includes threat protection to block malicious websites and trackers, and a kill switch that ensures your real IP address is never exposed if the VPN connection drops. This keeps your streaming private and secure, especially during live events. So to sum it up, if Wrestlepalooza isn't available in your country, using a VPN is the simplest solution. Connect to the correct region with NordVPN, refresh the streaming site, and enjoy the entire Wrestlepalooza event from anywhere. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN and start watching Wrestlepalooza without restrictions.